Am I the only one that didn't know how to fix Redmi Note 11 volume issues? Well, let's solve it together. First, check the basics. Swipe down the quick settings panel and make sure your volume isn't set to whisper. Head to settings, sound and vibration to adjust different volume levels. Next, verify do not disturb mode isn't enabled. Check for the mute icon and make sure your phone isn't muted. Now, let's troubleshoot physical issues. Press those volume buttons, they should respond. Clean the speaker grills gently with a soft brush. Don't forget to check the headphone jack and USB-C port for debris. If that didn't help, it might be software related. Restart your phone. Check for software updates under Settings. About Phone MIUI version. Clear app cache if the issue is app specific. For Bluetooth problems, toggle disable absolute volume in developer options. Still no luck? It might be hardware. Contact Xiaomi support or visit an authorized repair center. And as a last resort, consider a factory reset. Back up your data first. Go to Settings. About Phones. Factory reset. There you have it. Troubleshoot your Redmi Note 11 volume issues like a pro.